Let's see how to check for updates in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, let's say that we want to check if our Microsoft Word is updated to its most current and latest version. And to do that, first, let's click on the File tab. And from here, click on Account. And you should be able to see the update options, which is beside Microsoft 365 or Microsoft Word and Office updates. Now click on that and you'll be able to see the options to either update now or view updates, or you can even disable updates for Microsoft Word. And that is how you can update or check the version of your Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.